Shalom shoppers and welcome to the SS Dealser. I be Captain Marty John Greenstock and over here be me first mate Grandma McSticky. McSticky, say hello. Today here on the poop deck we be telling you how to use fish poop to grow the best plants on the 7 seas. The term be aquaponics and it goes like this. Everybody knows that feeding fish makes them poop. But what if I told you the nutrients in the water can be converted and used to give your garden the best feed in town? Home growers been using aquaponics since ancient times with great success. Be it time you hear the legend of the Aquabox. The Aquaponics Aquabox be the best way to save water and grow plants naturally. Compared to hydroponics, it reuses poopy fish water versus a drip or reservoir system. Handcrafted in Northern California, this setup be including a custom wooden flood table frame plus the flood table itself. The 30-gallon reservoir fits perfectly in the custom wooden reservoir frame below the growing area. You also be getting clay pebbles, a water pump, a few tubes, and a fishless cycling kit. As far as the size, it be 5 foot by 3 by 3. It makes for a nice display in any room. Here be the best part. Not only shipping be free, but be there any problems, you can call the good pirates over at Dealser.com. They can help you with setup questions or any warranty information should it arise. The number be 888-HYDRO-81. That's 888-493-7681. Well, folks, me and Grandma McSticky be off for another adventure, but thanks for watching and have a marvelous day.